Did you just hear what she said?
I can't laugh anymore.
I can't laugh anymore. Your neck hurt? Good.
Stop.
It hurts my tummy.
My stomach and cheeks hurt.
I'm gonna puke.
Oh, I can't handle it anymore.
Stop. Stop it.
Oh, my face. Oh, it hurts. Oh my god.
No.
No.
Hun,
Tread badger.
getting me into one of them laughing spells. Remember those? Laughed my ass off for an hour straight. Come on, let's roll. So you never answered if you wanted a drink. My cup. I spit on.
Did you just hear what she said though? Like, seriously.
No. I wasn't paying
Do I
attention.
have to repeat it?
No, because I really don't care.
Because we're going to go through 25 minutes laughing again.
Okay.
Fucking tears in my eyes.
It was a legitimate question.
When is that ever a legitimate question in real life? Never.
Well, you wanted a drink, and I was going to make sure I didn't. Jesus God. Oh my God.
It's too much. Too much.
Alright, ready to go?
Okay, that's enough.
Well, if I made the queef in just the applesauce. Or if I made it into the cup.
I don't know. Whatever.
I was making the slurp in that. Piss your face off.
This person doesn't answer. I'm gonna piss my face off. That's what she said. I was like, what does that even mean?
She's so dumb. I gotta tell him that. I gotta tell him. The girl you thought was dumb's gonna piss her face off.
You prove you're even more fucking stupid when you show up to work an hour fucking late. Just saying.